First, you have to search GitHub in your Google. Then click on GitHub. Here you can see the GitHub official page, and if you are new, then click on sign up, or you have a ID, then sign in and enter your login and password, then sign in. There you can see a profile option. Just click on profile, and here you can see a plus icon. Just click on plus icon, and here you can see a new repository. Click on that, and here you can see a repository name. So you have to mention the repository name or the website name, and then create repository, right? For uploading, we are following two type of method. One is direct, one is through Git. So search on Git and install it on your desktop. Like I have my Windows, so click on Windows button, and you can see the installation is started. I have already downloaded it in my desktop, so I cancelled it. And so we have to create a new folder, so I click in new and folder and open it. After opening, right click on the folder and go to git bash here. So git bash is your terminal, so click on git bash, right? So here you can see git bash is opening. So first of all, you have to configure this git, right? So for config, you have to write git config -- global user.name, and then you will fill up the name, and then configure your email by git config -- global user.email. Then you have to enter your GitHub email ID here and enter. So for checking purpose, you have to enter git config -- global.email and enter. So you can see that your GitHub is configured or not. So just click git config -- global user dot name, then you can see Sahitya. So now I will initialize my git by git init command. So you can see a new git initialize folder is created in my folder, right? So now I will click on I will copy some of my previous work and paste it here, right? Now let's check the status by git status and enter. Here you can see a new file added, index.html. So I will add git add space dot and enter. Now I will check it commit, git commit -m, and here you can add a commit like added, and you can see that git file index.html is added. Now you can see the status on branch master, nothing to commit. Okay, now you have to copy the URL of your hosting repository link. I will copy it and paste it in my git bash, right? For creating a new branch, I have to write git branch -M main, and then I paste the URL and it will config my GitHub, right? So now I will push it on my GitHub. So git push origin main -- force and enter. So just to wait for a few seconds, then you can see your files are uploaded in your GitHub repository, right? It successfully updated. Now check git status. on branch master, nothing to comment, working tree clean. So just go to your GitHub and refresh the page, and you can see the index.html is come in your GitHub repository. So now we will see the second method, that how can you add directly from GitHub repository without helping Git. Create on uploading files, then you can choose your files, right? And you can choose the file and upload it. I just select the image and upload it just for demo purpose, right? So just upload this in my GitHub repository directly, and you have to click on commit changes button, and then you will see the changes, right? You can see the file is updated, right? Now go to settings and scroll down, and here you can see GitHub pages. So click on that, and here you have to click on none and select main. Please follow this step carefully. Just click on that and main and save it, and then you have to choose a theme. By choose a theme, and here you have to select minimal option, right? I click on minimal and select the theme by clicking on select theme option. Now you can see the URL is generated. Just click on this URL, and you can see your website is updated through GitHub hosting server, right? So you have to copy the link and paste it in our Google Form. So I think you can do it in yourself. So thanks for watching this video.